Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we're doing another unboxing because I have a problem and I can't stop myself from buying things in my favorite color. Here we have a 1911, my personal favorite. I know, FUD here, but still my personal favorite. This one is a Girsan, Girsan. Either way, I don't know how you pronounce it. Somebody down in the comments can tell me the proper pronunciation. Either way, I'll run through those same ones. I think it's Girsan. There's nothing on here to really read it off with, but let's get into the unboxing. So you get this nice little travel case with it. Hello, boys. This is my puppy dogs have come back into the room. If I can open this, there we go. And here we are. I got the camouflage pattern and in this green because I like green. Green's my favorite color. My Taurus G2C, the only reason I bought it was because it was green and it was a good price. So here we are. The Girsan 1911 untouchable full size. Let's see. Yeah, GIR. I can't read. Can't read it through the phone either. GIRSSN. It feels a bit blockier than my Rock Island 1911. A bit heftier. And yeah, it's got its differences. Let's go into some of the features about it. So here we have a skeletonized hammer, a exaggerated beaver tail, a more pronounced grip safety, ambidextrous external safety, which I really like. The aggressive grip texture on here, the hexagonal on the scales, and a 8-round magazine, so 8 plus 1 in the chamber. So now that brings me up to 4 magazines. I'm happy about that. And a flare. I don't want to call this a flared magwell. I want to say this is more of a funneled magwell because it doesn't really expand and really grip the hand like other flared magwells. Like I used to have a Canic Apocalypse that I traded in to get this Stars Judge because I wanted an anti-bear gun, but that one had a real flared out magwell that gripped the hand nicely, but still having somewhat of a flare. I'm going to refer to this as a funneled magwell. Is real nice. I like it. It also has a Picatinny rail on there for mounting a light, laser, whatever you want. Maybe a underbarrel mounted grenade launcher if you're feeling spicy, or a chainsaw. Ooh, that's fun. Either way, there's something to mix on there. Hello, kitty cat. But action is a bit stiff, but then again, this is brand new. This 1911 that I'm used to carrying is, at the time I got it in 2019, I want to say it's around maybe 4 or 5 years old. Everything I'm finding, hello kitty cat. She has demand attention and must invade. Yes, yes pets. Back to what I was talking about. Goodbye kitty cat. Now, this was about 4 or 5 years old when I bought it, if I'm doing the serial number research correctly. So it was already probably broken in, but when I got it, and it's draw on it, a bit weaker than the Girsan here. Girsan. Either way, I'm going to keep doing that. Hello, yes, I know you want pets and attention. Goodbye. I know. Just give me time. I'll go lay down. I'll lay down and we can cuddle later. Fuss at me. My wife wants me to take a nap because I haven't been feeling good today. Or at the time of filming, I should say. But I like the camouflage pattern. I like the green on it. It's neat. I like it. I want to get a laser light combo to put on here. And it's milled for a red dot. Put a plate on here, get a red dot. It's nice. And the sight here. Somebody is texting me. Probably my wife telling me to go to sleep. But either way, it's real nice. I like it. I like it a lot. I'll put that off to the side. Got the magazine. We have a bore brush. We have these stupid locks that nobody likes. And then we got our safety manual. Da-da-da-da-da-da. All that good stuff. And that's really all it came with. I'm looking forward to going to shoot this and see how it handles. And getting other stuff and potentially making this my everyday carry. But whatever y'all choose to have, y'all stay safe out there.